Alright guys, back at you with another how-to repair video. Sorry about my voice, I'm kind of under the weather, but things has got to be done. So, alright, today's video we're going to be replacing the auto control valve. Now this will vary to different vehicles, but the same thing of what I'm going to do would be what you would do on your vehicle. This thing was about $30 to $35. Part number is AC107VC. It's a value craft part. I believe it's like 1 year warranty or something like that, or it might have been lifetime. The tools you're going to need is a 1/4 inch drive, and you're going to have a Torx bit. It's a T15 is the size. That guy is located right here. Now oftentimes what you can do is take that valve out, clean inside the bore where it goes in and out, because initially when it's cold this little valve will stick out when it's cold, and then when it warms up the valve will go back in, which lets your auto go back down. Common issues of either they need to be cleaned or they're just faulty and need to be replaced is the vehicle will stay at high idle and never come down, or even whenever it hot soaks and you get back in it and you go to crank it up, it doesn't, the auto does not go back down. So that's mainly the issues that you have, or it could be stalling on you, or not idling right, or the auto goes up and down. But anyway, alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing taken out. First thing you want to do is pull the connector out. Make sure you don't lose the little grommet here to keep moisture and stuff out. It is a 4-prong connector, and the little clip that's on here that you're supposed to push off to make it come out, it's broke on this vehicle. There's two 15 Torx head bolts that come right out. Just loosen both of them. Should just pull right out. Make sure you get the O-ring. It should have one on it. Make sure you get the old O-ring out when you take this out. You don't want to have 2 O-rings in there and it'll never seal. Now I've already tried cleaning this valve sensor, and that did not fix the vehicle's problem. As you can see, it's kind of extended out, which is what my problem is. It stays extended out and it never idles down. There's no vacuum leaks, nothing like that. Now, if you've not cleaned yours, you can take some brake cleaner or carb cleaner and squirt down in this hole, and take your say ex-girlfriend's toothbrush and get in here and just really scrub around, get it clean, and take a rag, wipe her out. Mine's pretty much clean because I've already been in here and I've already done this. So go ahead and get the new valve ready to be put in. Alright, now that you got it clean using your ex-girlfriend's toothbrush, you want to make sure that both valves are the same, like the prong connectors inside, the outside diameter, the O-rings, and the way they line up and everything. So now that you got it clean, everything lines up, looks the same. Just pop that right back in, just like so, and then tighten her down. Alright, now you got everything buttoned up and tightened down. She's all together. You don't have to really go all full force on it. As long as it's tight and snug, you're good. Alright, engine's cold, dead cold. I mean, that's freezing to me, because it's dropped down about 25 last night. So she set overnight, so let's go ahead and fire it up cold start and see how she does. All the lights come on, check engine works. I get a little bit more gas than that. 44,000 miles. Alright, let's see what she does. It always does this. And now it's cutting up. I do have a misfire, but that's not anything to do with this video. Thing is it runs and idles down now. like it's supposed to. It's pretty much really it. How to replace the out-of control valve on your vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, leave them at the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. Likes, shares, criticisms, leave them at the bottom. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I make how-to repair videos just about every other week, whenever I can, whenever possible. This was a 88 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra with the 2.8 V6, just in case you were wondering. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Stay tuned for more.